AI robots that will make you $100 per day. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful tool that can revolutionize various industries. From healthcare to finance, AI robots are transforming the way we work and offering new opportunities for individuals to generate income. Understanding the power of AI robots. AI robots are intelligent machines programmed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These robots leverage advanced algorithms, machine learning, and natural language processing to analyze data, make decisions, and perform complex tasks. They have the potential to automate repetitive, time-consuming, and error-prone activities, freeing up valuable time for individuals to focus on more strategic endeavors. By harnessing the power of AI robots, individuals can streamline their operations, increase efficiency, and unlock new income-generating opportunities. The key is to identify the right applications and leverage AI robots that align with your skills and interests. Exploring AI robot applications. AI robots can be applied across a wide range of industries, each offering unique opportunities to generate income. Let's explore some popular applications where AI robots can make $100 per day. Virtual assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants, such as Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple's Siri, are becoming increasingly prevalent in households worldwide. These virtual assistants can help with tasks like setting reminders, answering questions, managing schedules, and even making online purchases. To tap into this market, you can develop skills or applications for virtual assistants, providing valuable services or content that users can access through these platforms. To start, identify a niche or area of expertise where you can offer specialized information or services. For example, if you have expertise in fitness, you could create a virtual assistant skill that provides personalized workout routines, nutrition tips, and motivation. By creating valuable and engaging content, you can attract a significant user base and generate income through paid subscriptions, in-app purchases, or affiliate partnerships. Chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered software programs that can simulate human conversations and provide automated customer support. Businesses across various industries, including e-commerce, healthcare, and banking, are utilizing chatbots to improve customer service and engagement. To make money with chatbots, you can create and deploy chatbots for businesses, offering customer support services or developing customized chatbot solutions to address specific industry needs. Begin by gaining a deep understanding of the industry you want to target. Identify pain points or common customer inquiries that can be addressed through automation. Develop a chatbot solution that integrates seamlessly with existing systems and offers a user-friendly interface. You can monetize your chatbot services by charging businesses a monthly subscription fee or implementing a pay-per-use model based on the volume of customer interactions. Trading bots. AI trading bots have gained popularity in the financial sector, enabling automated trading in the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and foreign exchange. These bots utilize AI algorithms to analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades without human intervention. To make $100 per day with trading bots, you can explore two main avenues: developing or utilizing existing algorithms to automate your trading strategies, or offering trading bot services to clients. If you have a background in finance or programming, you can develop your own AI trading algorithm. Conduct thorough research, study market trends, and create an algorithm that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Alternatively, you can utilize existing AI trading platforms or APIs to automate your trades. Many platforms offer strategies that you can implement and customize to fit your preferences. Content generation. AI technologies have made significant strides in content generation, including writing articles, creating videos, and generating social media posts. While AI cannot replace human creativity and intuition entirely, it can assist in automating certain aspects of content creation. To make money with AI content generation, you can leverage AI-powered tools or platforms to streamline your content production process and increase your output. Start by identifying areas in your content creation workflow that can be automated. For example, you can use AI-powered tools to generate blog post outlines, create social media captions, or even develop video scripts. Develop custom AI solutions for businesses. As AI technology continues to advance, Businesses are increasingly seeking custom AI solutions to enhance their operations and gain a competitive edge. Consider leveraging your expertise in AI to develop customized AI solutions for businesses in various industries. This could involve creating AI-powered chatbots, recommendation systems, predictive analytics models, or image recognition algorithms tailored to their specific needs. Start by identifying industries or niches where AI can make a significant impact. Reach out to businesses in those sectors and offer your services as an AI consultant or developer. Offer AI training and education. With the increasing demand for AI skills, there is a growing market for AI training and education. Leverage your expertise to offer courses, workshops, or training programs that teach individuals or businesses how to leverage AI effectively. This could include topics such as machine learning, data analytics, natural language processing, or AI ethics. Develop comprehensive and structured courses that cater to different skill levels, from beginners to advanced learners. Utilize online platforms or create your own e-learning website to deliver your training materials. Consider incorporating practical exercises, real-world case studies, and hands-on projects to provide learners with a practical understanding of AI concepts. Create and sell AI-powered products. Another lucrative opportunity is to develop and sell AI-powered products. This could involve creating AI algorithms, software applications, or hardware devices that solve specific problems or address market needs. For example, you could develop an AI-powered language translation tool, an automated data analytics platform, or an AI-based healthcare monitoring device. Start by identifying gaps in the market where AI can provide innovative solutions. Conduct market research, engage with potential users, and validate the demand for your AI-powered product. Develop a prototype and iterate based on user feedback to ensure a user-friendly and efficient product. Once you have a market-ready AI product, create a marketing and sales strategy to reach your target audience. Offer AI consulting and advisory services. As AI technologies continue to evolve, businesses often require expert guidance and advice on integrating AI into their operations. Position yourself as an AI consultant or advisor, providing strategic recommendations and implementation support to businesses seeking to leverage AI effectively. Develop a strong understanding of industry trends, best practices, and ethical considerations related to AI. Stay updated on the latest advancements and research in the field to offer informed insights to your clients. Conduct AI audits for businesses, assess their current capabilities, and provide recommendations for AI integration or optimization. Market your consulting services through networking, industry events, and thought leadership content. AI robots offer immense potential for individuals to generate income in various industries. By understanding the power of AI, exploring different applications such as virtual assistants, chatbots, trading bots, and content generation, you can tap into this growing market. Start by identifying your strengths, interests, and expertise, and then leverage AI technologies and platforms to automate processes, provide valuable services, and streamline operations. With the right approach, dedication, and a continuous learning mindset, you can harness the power of AI robots to make $100 per day and beyond. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.